Hi everyone, it's Marina, the Beauty BFF. I'm going to share with you my morning skincare routine using woman-owned skincare brand.
I have double cleansed my skin the night before. So in the morning I like to use a facial towel with hot water and I lay it on my face and I just press the hot towel and just wipe it clean. There is no need to cleanse again in the morning if you have double cleansed your skin the night before, and that helps remove all the makeup and sunscreen. That way you can just do this and use a hot towel to cleanse your skin in the morning. I am using the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask from Glow Recipe, and I'm using this as a wash-off mask. So I'm just scooping the mask on my hand and I'm using a pretty thick layer across my face, and then you can leave it on for 10 minutes or so and rinse it off with lukewarm water. And this can be used every day. I am masking my eyes with Versed the Fix Emergency Eye Mask. It has caffeine in it to help energize the eyes and depuff, cucumber juice to help soothe the eye area, vitamin E helps hydrate, and provitamin B5 helps protect the skin. Using a facial massage ice globe, I'm using it to massage the eye area. It will help push the product a little deeper, and the coolness will help with calming down the puffiness. Make sure that when you're using this tool to have product on your skin before using it. It will tug your skin if you do not have any products, so make sure that you have something there to help glide it. Next, I'm using the Mini Jade Facial Roller Beauty Tool from May Apothecary to massage the mask into my skin. It also helps reduce facial tension, which I have from previous Bell palsy. It is very soothing when kept in the fridge. It is nice and cool. And when you're using the Jade roller, make sure to roll outward and upward, starting from the middle of the face, then to the hairline. When I'm using the Jade roller on my neck, I like to use upward motions and downward motions. When I'm using it upwards, rolling it upwards, I'm using it to help lift the skin on the neck area, and when I'm using it downwards, mostly on the sides of my neck, I'm using it to help drain any toxins out. I like to start on one side of the face and then move on to the next side of the face. And I like to use 3 times the motion on each area. Once I get to my forehead, I'm using upward motions. The Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask is going to nourish the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles with avocado oil and extract. It has encapsulated retinol to help firm the skin, PHA to gently exfoliate, and matcha, which contains antioxidant rich properties to help support skin barrier health. I am going to use the same towel I used earlier to remove both masks with warm water. For my moisturizer, I'm using Pureless Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. It will help hydrate and prevent fine lines. It also helps prep skin for makeup. It is super hydrating, great for oily combination skin and even sensitive skin, and it has blue lotus flower in there, which helps detoxify with rich antioxidant for a boost of radiance. For eye treatment, I'm using Dr. Loretta Tightening Eye Gel to help hydrate. It helps reduce puffiness, dark circles, and the appearance of crow's feet. It also helps protect the skin from free radical damage caused by UVA and HEV light. HEV light is blue light that is exposed through sun exposure, mobile and tablet devices, computer and laptop screens. And of course, I'm going to be extra and add the Dew Forever Eye Mask to help push the product deeper. It is recommended to use these on your eyes for 10 minutes, and while it is sitting on your eyes, you can do the rest of your skincare routine or do your eye makeup. When you are done, make sure to wash and dry. I have to hydrate and protect my lips. I'm using the Pixi Collagen Lip Gloss. It is super hydrating and has a nice gloss to it. For some extra glow, I'm wearing Glossier Future Dew. It's an oil serum hybrid. It has nourishing oils that won't feel greasy. It has sugarcane squalane, which helps lock in moisture. It is recommended to use as the last step of your skincare routine, even after your sunscreen. But I just did not do that and used it before my sunscreen, and it's okay. We all live. For my sunscreen, I'm using Black Girl Sunscreen Moisturizing Sunscreen Lotion for face and body, broad spectrum SPF 30. It is super sheer with no white residue, and it is fragrance free. Apply a quarter size for your whole face, neck, and ears. Sunscreen is a must for your morning skincare routine. For my very last step, I'm using Dr. Barbara Sturm Clarifying Spot Treatment in shade 3. I'm using it on my blemishes. It is antibacterial. It will help diminish unwanted impurities. It is also tinted to help cover blemishes, breakouts, and redness. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to stay tuned for the second part of this, and I'll see you next time.